look at this.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ, the frozen tundra of EPHQ. And welcome to another episode of Raw 365, where we're going to get real, authentic, and sometimes probably a little weird. All right, so today's episode is about how nature inspires you. So I thought I'd step outside in minus 30 and record this for you in the snow and show you how much nature in the winter does not inspire me unless I am better dressed with a big scarf and lots and lots and lots of layers from the waist up. I am totally fine wearing Doc Martens and my kilt. In the winter, as you know, I had photographed, in a blizzard like about 5-6 years ago-ish, 7 years ago. And that was pretty amazing. It was really, really amazing. It was for a local DJ, a local goth DJ here in town. We went out in the blizzard. And I was totally fine, as long as I have my big scarf on and a big jacket and some thick socks and proper Doc Martens. But right now I'm standing out here just kind of wanted to really just kind of drive it home that nature inspires me to stay inside in the wintertime. Oh my gosh, it's cold. And you know what it is? Is that I recently got frostbite when I was filming over at Valley Fair about 3 or 4 weeks ago. And my hands got frostbite and it was pretty gnarly. It hurt really, really bad. And ever since then, it's like, just the cold's just brutal on me this year. But that's it. So that's kind of how nature inspires me in the winter. It inspires me to stay inside. How does nature inspire you in your art, in your craft? Whether you're doing pictures or film, or you're painting, or you're sketching, or crayons, or you're doing etchings on tombstones. How does nature inspire you? I'd love to be able to hear about it. Share it in the comments below in the snow. And that's it. Let's wrap it up, okay? Yeah, because I'm frozen and I got to get inside, and I have a chocolate espresso screaming my name. So let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we're going to get real, authentic, and sometimes frozenly weird. And if you are not a subscriber, subscribe. If you want to join me on this wild and crazy journey through creativity, success, business, inspiration, etc., etc., etc. I'm cold and I'm speed talking. And that's it. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly. And mine is just over the camera right over there. And that is to what? Stay caffeinated. Oh, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Have you all figured out what that is from yet? If you have, share it in the comments below. If you haven't, I'll keep doing it. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. I'm frozen. Jeez.